This video is about Cash App referral codes. By the end of this video, you are going to be the absolute Pokemon master of a Cash App referral code. You will learn what a Cash App referral code is, you will know where to find your Cash App referral code, and you will also know how to use a Cash App referral code. I'm going to answer all three of those things in this video. Let's go and let's do this. If you're new, don't forget to give me one of those, and you can also subscribe here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. I also have a playlist called the Online Money Playlist where you can find even more helpful videos just like this one about your online and even offline money. And I also teach you how to use these tools such as Cash App. So a quick explanation on what a Cash App referral code is. A Cash App referral code is a code, a unique code, or a link that you send to somebody for them to sign up with Cash App. When this person signs up for Cash App through your referral code by entering your referral code or following your referral link, and I'll show you both of those in a moment, you and the person that signs up will get money. So let's show you how to find your referral code or your referral link that you can send to individuals so that when they sign up for Cash App, you both receive a reward. So here we are inside of Cash App. Let's show you where to locate your Cash App referral code. That profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, select it. It's a little person in a circle. Here you can see my Cash App ID. Of course, if you feel like you want to bless me, then go ahead and you can bless me. So here below that, you can see invite friends, get £10. This may be lower for you, or you may be able to receive more. I'm going to select this now. This reads, invite your friends to Cash App. Allow contacts access to make it easy to find friends, protect your account and prevent spam. You can change these permissions at any time in settings. Now I'm going to select allow access. This is just basically going to allow my contacts to find me on Cash App. Now I have a few numbers that are displaying here, so we'll be censoring that information, but you can see next to those numbers it says get £10. This is where you can send your Cash App code to those phone numbers in your mobile phone. You can also enter an email or a new phone number. You can type in a phone number or an email, and this will send your referral link and referral code to that individual. You can also press the share icon, which is at the top of the screen next to the X. Here you can use social media, or you can copy your referral code. I've just copied my referral code. I can now paste this into a message or send it wherever I please. I'm going to show you what this looks like. Here we are in a text message. I'm going to paste the information that we've just copied from Cash App. This is the message that an individual will receive when you're sending your referral link using this method. And it reads, have you seen Cash App? Try it using my code and we'll each get £10. The referral code is then given, and then you have a direct link. When somebody clicks your link and they sign up for Cash App, you'll each get £10, but this may vary depending on your Cash App location and more. Now I'll show you where to enter a referral code when you've received one. From your Cash App home screen, select the profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. From here, scroll down to the bottom. You can see sign out, and above this you can see referral code. Select referral code. This is where you would enter a referral code you have received, providing that you have not followed the link in order to sign up. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. On the screen now you will see an online money playlist where you can find more videos like this, and you'll also see a relevant video. You can also click on my face to subscribe. There's a lot more where that came from.